Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I'm going to teach you how to make some delicious cheese bread. And all 6 cheese sticks, our cheese bread sticks, are only going to have 2 grams net carbs. Okay, so we're going to start by opening the mix. This is the Garlicaholic mix. If you don't like garlic, you can use the skinny, and it's still delicious. And you add the 1 egg and the 2 tablespoons cream. You can even add a little more cream if you want. I like my bread mix, especially when I'm using a corn dog maker, to be a little bit more on the runny side. Okay, see how that is? It's a nice runny texture. Okay, so now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to open my corn dog maker, spray, and go to town. Now, like I said, these packets make about 5 to 6 sticks. And this is how easy they are to make, folks. Like, it doesn't get easier than this. I just stick the cheese stick in there. And if you want to do less dairy, you can actually cut these in half. You need to use a whole cheese stick. Cut it in half lengthwise and just put 3 of them in. Now, I like spicy, so there's so many different things. You can make a cheese and pepperoni stick. You can add jalapenos. You can buy pepper jack cheese sticks. You can do whatever you want. And then you just close it up and turn the timer on for about 1.5 minutes, and we'll see how they turn out. We're back, and look at that. Oops, again, did not cover all the way. All right, maybe we need to do something different. Here you go. Oh, guys, they look so good. Okay, I would make 5 out of this instead of 6, because then you'll get the full coverage. Obviously, 6 doesn't give you full coverage. They're still delicious, though. So, you see how easy they are to take out? They don't stick. Here's the jalapeno ones. Now, here's what I'm going to do, guys. And I'll do it on the 2 that are... I'm going to do it on these 2 here. I'm going to do just like they do in the restaurants. I'm going to put butter on them. I'm going to put garlic and some salt and some Parmesan cheese. And now you have a very real cheese breadstick. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order today. Thank you for watching. God bless you.